Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make an incredible vegan banoffee pie. Starting off, you're going to want 1 roll of short crust pastry, store-bought, it's usually vegan, 1 cup of brown sugar, the darker you have it, the darker the caramel will be, 1 teaspoon of agar powder, 2 bananas, 3 cans of coconut milk, also some vegan whipped cream, and some vegan chocolate for grating on top. Start off by adding your 3 cans of coconut milk and the sugar and give it a good whisk. Next to our baking dish, we're just going to roll in there our short crust pastry. Now these have a tendency to melt when you put them in the oven and they all just flatten out. So I'm just going to pack that with beans. You can do it with rice, whatever you want. As you can see, I'm just using regular beans. That's going to go in for about 5 minutes on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit just to maintain the shape. I'm going to reuse those beans for the same purpose so you can keep them. After that, take it out of the oven. You may see a little wet patch in there. Stick it in for another few minutes just to get it nice and dry. Other than that, you're good to go. Look at the nice pattern it makes. Now coconut milk and sugar mix should start bubbling. If you want it darker, just keep adding in the darker sugar. But once it reaches that stage, we're ready to go and decorate with banana slices. Now I'm just going to add in a touch of agar powder there just to let it gel a bit. I'm going to pour that in on top. And as you can see, that's nice and ready. I'm going to let that set and I'm going to pour some extra bananas on top. Next, I'm going to spray that with the vegan whipped cream and sprinkle on some chocolate shavings. Absolutely beautiful, folks. This is so delicious, you've got no idea. Honestly, really easy to make, really tasty. Go ahead and make it yourselves. 100% cruelty-free as always. Folks, I hope you liked this episode. If you did, give it a like, give it a comment, and give me a subscribe if you wouldn't mind. Ciao for now. I will see you on the next one. Thanks again.